we're going to start this race. We're going to start with Cat A, followed by a 5-minute interval with Cat B. So get yourselves all hydrated up. If you got some glue or something else, get your gels up. And make sure when your names are called, you are in the group category, because without your names and without your numbers, you will not be considered as part of the race. Alright, so let's all keep it fun and let's all keep it safe. God bless you all.
Okay, everyone, keep it safe. Again, just a reminder, we have a first 28.8 kilometer neutral zone. That's the neutral zone. Katawan starts after that. We have a flagger there by the 28.8 neutral zone. And next landmark, we have the Sprint King flag. There's a special prize here, the Sprint King. The Sprint King flag is at 55.5 kilometers. Then we have the King of the Mountain flag, which is at 78 kilometers. Then the end of the race at 82.2. Okay, just an observation. We have a comment here. Team Auto Trend, for category A's, Team Auto Trend. We don't see it here. Okay, final words from our marshals. I'll see if the category A participants are ready to kick off. Okay. Okay, marshal's call. We'll be starting the race. We'll be having a countdown. We have an official timer here. Okay, Sir Edmund. Sir Edmund, I'm here in front. In front category. Ano? So, okay, okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, we'll do our official countdown. 2 minutes, going.
Okay, Lian of Team Fitness First. Man, you have it yellow, you have it team jersey, you have the yellow jersey. Kindly stay here in front.
Listen, sabi kagamit mo.
Okay, teammate for Fitness First. I think you have to protect Lian over here. Again, this is brought to you by, ilan seconds na lang, sir?